Hello, everyone. This is the extended the module of our previous lecture, the reverse engineering for cybersecurity. In cybersecurity, reverse engineering is one of the crucial tools that we can track back to the source. Given mail software, we may be able to trace back to the original source code. As indicated in the module 1, Python is one of the computer programming languages that hackers may be able to use to inject mail coding segment into the software packages. This is something that we looked at last time. All right. So if we run this, then it'll return whatever the number, right? If we change this, then of course it'll be different. So 41. Or if I say here 71, save, then it'll give me different. Let's say injection. So it'll be simply a function injection in our case. Okay, I would say funny, and then inside we can say mail equals 441 and sum equals 32, and then we can say temperature variable will be mail times 32. All right, and then we can do sum one. Okay, return temp minus mail, and it is called somewhere here funny. Okay, so when we run it from the outside, the black box testing, even if we have this code injection attack, we cannot find it, right? But code inside, there is something already maliciously operated. And also, whatever the value returned from this function may cause some of the malicious behaviors to your entire infrastructure, right? So assume that a hacker had this the coding with the mail segment injected, and then compile it the way that it compiles, as we said, Python 37 and scripts where there is a no, it's too early. We need to first compile, right? Python, and then we need to include a method called the py compile, and then I would like to compile it. Pil py. All right, so Python with the method inclusion, which is py underscore compile, and then that code is, I believe, that is arithmem02 o2.py. Okay, and compile it. The executable file is created under the directory py. So if we see py, then you will be able to see this is right now. Okay, this is one. So pyc compiled executable file is generated. So I'm going to bring that up. Copy underscore py where there is a arithmem02 dot c python that, and I'm going to put the current directory, and then I call it arithmetic02.pyc. Okay, so override it. Yes, because I do have that already. And then I'm going to run that pyc. Then internally says points on is 297. All right, but this code has internally the code injection attacks. Okay, so how can I decompile it so that I may be able to see the code? All right, that's possible from the one that we installed, which is installed in this script directory under your Python home, and then it is called compile 6. I believe that is it. Let's see how it is not recognized. Okay, then I need to see here dir on compile 6. All right, so it is not decompiled, but on compile 6. If it runs, then you can see on compile py. Then you can see some of the options, right? And then that decompiler takes the code. So arithmetic02.pyc, that is the input. The output is the source code with some comments. Let's see. All right. So we'll see here, right? This is source code. Then this source code does not have, okay, does not bring us the code injection, right? That is how it works. It was not compiled. That is the reason. All right. So if you do, if we redo, I saved it, right? Then I'm going to do copy it back. Yes, copied. And then I'm going to do on compile 6. Now you can see, right? In this on compilation, you can see the source code that was injected. All right, thank you.